Did I get that? No, I didn't. Woo! Alright, so I'm just waiting for the tide to drop so I can go spearfishing a little bit later in the mangroves all down and around here. And the plan is to just get maybe like a stingray, flathead, shovel-nose shark, whatever I can really find. And I'll come back up here and cook it up. It's a little windy and overcast. I thought it was going to be sunny today, but that should actually help us when we're hunting. So the shadows aren't as harsh. I can sort of sneak up on them. And my chances of getting something are a little higher now that it's cloudy. Oh, big stingray. Yeah, this is perfect. We'll definitely get something in here. Oh no. I don't know where the prongs are. Well, I've got the spear, but I don't know. I didn't pack the prongs. I don't know where they are. They're not in the boat, so I don't have a spear. Unless... I got this knife from Adreno, and I'm just thinking it's pretty thin. I could just tape it on to the end and use that as a spear. Yeah, that'll work perfect. Oh. It looks pretty good to me. I think it's gonna work. Yeah, it'll work. Sun's out, tide's down, stingrays are out. I think it's time to get in. Whoa. Holy, look at the size of this one. It's huge. That's the size I'm looking for. Oh, here's another. Whoa, back up, buddy. Back up. Okay, there it is. So what you got to look out for is this long tail. You can kind of spot that. They're usually covered under the sand, but yeah, he's a bit big, that one. That one's a bit too big. Oh, he's a bit too small. Did I get that? No, I didn't. Shark. There's a shark. I never see sharks. There's a shark. No, come this way. Oh, he's big. See that big shark out there? That's fucking awesome. I never see sharks. I never see sharks. Man, I'm getting hungry. I gotta get lunch. Alright, gonna grab a new GoPro battery, G up, get back out there, and get lunch. Let's do it. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, so it's just getting pumped up, and then it's perfect size. Oh man, so close. You're a bit big, mate. Enjoy your life. There is a huge storm rolling in. Do you see it just over there? There's like, I got a long way to go back. I gotta get all the way back over there, and the tinny will get raped in the storm. I think I'm gonna have to call it quits. Oh man, I'll be back. I'll be back with a proper spear to get one of these stingrays and cook it up on the sand dunes. But man, I gotta go. That's not good. I gotta get out of here. Probably doesn't even look that bad, but it's coming in real quick. See that fin out there? It's a dolphin. Oh, it's chasing stuff. Dolphin oh, he got it. He just caught the fish. He's got it in his mouth. That was a good catch, man. I saw that. That was sick. Raining, but it's so flat. I think I beat it. I put a red top over. Man, I barely made it back. That storm hit me hard, but I survived. And I was just thinking on the way back, why don't I just upload this vid? Like, I know I didn't catch anything and I didn't cook anything, but I mean, it's still cool footage and I was having fun, so I reckon I might post this. And if you guys like it, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you next time.